Yun, job hiring sa staff house. So, tingnan natin. Sa Facebook ko kasi nakita yun eh. Ito. I-type lang natin Staff House International Resources. Meron silang 1 million followers. Kapopos lang nila 1 hour ago. So to. 1 hour ago. Now hiring heavy duty drivers, trailer drivers, class 4 and 5. Bound for New Zealand. Ang employer is Franklin Smith. Hindi ko lang alam kung ito ay recruitment agency rito sa New Zealand or isang kumpanya. So, yun. Meron dito kung sabi ito, apply here, may link. Narito yung form nila. So, pwede nyo rin sadyain para hindi kayo, kung may alinlangan kayo na scam ito, puntahan nyo mismo sa kanilang lugar, sa kanilang opisina sa 43 West Point Street, Cubao, Quezon City. At sa Cebu naman, sa Room 506, Krisha Building, Gonzales Compound, Gordo Avenue, Lahug, Cebu City. Okay? Ano ba ang qualification? Ang qualification na nakalagay dito is minimum of 5 years professional driving experience, particularly with 6 to 8 wheelers, trucks, or trailers. Preferably with overseas work experience. So, naka-experience ako rito nakasama na walang experience abroad. So, pwede rin kayo mag-apply rito na walang experience abroad. Must hold or qualify for the New Zealand equivalent of a Class 4 or 5 license. Ang ibig sabihin nito, yung equivalent ng lisensya nila sa atin is yung restriction code number 8. Background in road paving, particularly in asphalt and chip seal, is an advantage. So, mga asfalto pala to. Yun. Excellent English communication skills. Kailangan meron pasado ka sa IELTS ng 4.0. Requirements yun sa visa. Reliable, safety-minded, and experienced in large-scale roadworks environments. So, yun. Staff House International Resources. Employer is Franklin Smith. 43 West Point Street, Quezon City. So, yun. Hiring. Punta.